Foods good for teeth. Foods play to circular role in maintaining oral health. Eating a well-balanced, healthy and nutrition diet is vital for good dental health both in children and adults. Protein and tooth damage. Proteins vital for the formation and maintenance for the tooth stays. They also protect the mucous and connectivity tissue lines of oral cavity and contribute to towel a healthy immunity system. Food rich protein include soya, egg, beans, seafood and dairy foods. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus compress the structure of teeth. The help prevent against the bleeding. Calcium promotes a process knowledge a which reverse the tooth damage. Zinc prevents the formation the mucous layer and connectivity tissue the oral cavity. Milk and dairy are rich the calcium and phosphorus. Other foods which are great source of calcium include seafood, tofu, almond, Greek, leaf vegetable, and liquors. Cheese is a rich source of calcium whose protein teeth due is adaptive nutrition. Once it sticks to tooth surface, it releases the calcium which plant surface. Calcium helps repairing damaged tooth structure by professional humans. Vitamin D. Vitamin D saturation growth, proper function of mucus and connectivity tissue. It promotes the remineralization process for helping calcium absorb and the body. Sunlight, the richest source of the vitamin D, are sources in the vitamin are milk, fish, egg, and cod liver oil. Vitamin A. Vitamin essential in maintenance the mucus line for the connectivity tissue, supporting the teeth. Carrots are good source vitamin A, as orange fruits, sweets, potato, drugs layer green vegetable like a Spanish cala, egg, yoga, and fish also connected with vitamin A proportion. Vitamin C. Vitamin C promotes the integration and remodulation of the collagen. The structure of protein is responsible for maintenance the structure of the propironal element. Foods such as lemon, orange, sweet potato, pepperoni, etc. Vitamin D helps in growth development for the ethical cells lining the oral cavity. Vitamin D is found in high amount in fish, red meat, milk, almond, green leaf vegetable. Vitamin E. Vitamin E acts great antioxidant. Food rich in vitamin E included nut, almond, green leaf, vegetable, and avocado. Fish is also good source of vitamin E. Green tea is potent the rich in the antioxidant. Foods rich in iron, potassium, phosphorus, and iodine. Potassium is essential teeth maintenance which are both important especially when the gum deep bleeding and injury. Fluoride prevents the tooth decay the process the remainder and iodine also promoting the absorption of calcium in the body. Egg, seafood, red meat, carrot, green leaf vegetable, confit, foods which are high water content. Cream fruits include the vegetable have a high water content. Eating fruits and vegetables result a formation of the high amount of selvin which are maintenance pH balance of oral cavity. They are protected teeth cavity. Those food also good. Removing the plus for the tooth. Clear. Probiotics. Probiotics are yogurt, curd, fermentation, foods, yeast, complaints and such help the protein of the bacteria which can prevent formation. Foods good for teeth. Foods play to circular role in maintaining oral health. Eating a well-balanced, healthy and nutrition diet is vital for good dental health both in children and adults. Protein and tooth damage. Proteins vital for the formation and maintenance for the tooth stays. They also protect the mucous and connectivity tissue lines of oral cavity and contribute to towel a healthy immunity system. Food-rich protein include soya, egg, beans, seafood, and dairy foods. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus compress the structure of teeth. The help prevent against the bleeding. Calcium promotes a process known as a which reverse the tooth damage. Zinc prevents the formation the mucous layer and connectivity tissue soil the oral cavity. Milk and dairy are rich the calcium and phosphorus. Other foods which are great source of calcium include seafood, tofu, almond, green leaf vegetable, and liquors. Cheese is a rich source of calcium which protein teeth due is adaptive nutrition. Once it sticks to tooth surface, it releases the calcium which the immediately which plant surface. Calcium helps repairing damaged tooth structure by professional removal. Vitamin D. Vitamin D